A secure.
Jumping in the window. Jumping in the window on A.
We've captured Alpha.
Yeah, careful, Sand. There was a guy in that house.
Yeah, I killed him.
Fucking sniped at me. Got killed. Fuck! Always some bastard behind. We're so fucking gonna lose it.
Burn, bitch!
Oh, below you guys, below you guys.
Oh, you know who's dead? That guy.
Control point Bravo is ours.
Oof!
Get to it, man. We're losing.
I don't even know if this is worth fucking planting it here, but why not?
We at least got the meat grinder back. Oh, I'm on fire! Oh, where's the tank? Tank on the other side near C.
Oh, they're pushing at me hard.
They're pushing A hard.
Yeah, no shit. Ah, fuck. Oh, fuck. Yeah, they've overran my... I'm down to my last guy on A. Oh, fucking Jesus. I'm gonna try and push it back. They're just fucking all over in the woods all around me. I might need one person over here to split it 2 and 2. Yep, I'm still... I only lost one of my guys. I'm gonna try and knock out these MGs. Yep, move up, move up.
Got that knife, boy!
Geeky bastard to get up in the hill and fucking just spray the whole fucking... One MG42 is gone, so that our units can press up without any, pressure.
Nice
I'd rather use our 50s as fucking pressure. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Let's try and get up a little bit on the hill.
Oh, we're already up here on the hill.
Move up, move up, move up. Go to the right. If we can't fucking climb up. Oh, did I get stuck in the trench? Good. Yeah, I'm stuck. There's no way I can get out of it.
Where else? Right in front of you. Wheel now. Get derped on, boy!
Alright, dude, I'm gonna support you with my pistol.
Clearing the building.
Left side in the windmill.
I just lost it.
Woo! I'm on the point! I need more people!
About fucking turkey shoots.
I don't survive long enough.
Our team started capturing a control point.
Woo!
Fuck me.
Oh, Jesus! They got me.
Like, don't get me wrong, I like bolt accents, but the ammo first.
One thing I used for the longest time
Our forces
was the Enfield. Because it's a 10-round